This is tutorial number 179, and it covers how to use the Split Bodies feature within SOLIDWORKS. To start off, open up tutorial part number 179, which is located on the DVD. So we're going to be covering the Split Bodies feature, and what that does is, as you can see this part that we have loaded, if you open up the solid bodies, it's just one solid body. So we want to say split this up into multiple bodies. And why you would want to split something up into multiple bodies would be in a case, say you have a bunch of metal pieces, say each of these is metal tubing that is all being welded together, and each piece has to kind of be its own piece to kind of like make drawings and send out to get made. So it's easier to make everything in a part file like this rather than making each individual piece and kind of assembling it. So you can make everything in the part file and then split it up into multiple bodies and then send out each of those pieces or sections as its own body after that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to make some multiple bodies, and what we're going to do is we're going to make multiple bodies using this face here and this face here. And what that does is we're going to be cutting across those faces. So we're going to be cutting a line across there, and we're also going to be cutting a line across this face here. And doing that, we're going to create multiple bodies that we're going to be able to kind of extract and move around. So let's do the first one, and we're going to do it across this face here. So let's click Insert, click Feature, click Split. Now for the trim tool, click the face you want to use. So let's click this face here, click Cut Part, and it's going to cut it into 5 parts. So you can see if you move it around, there's a part there, part there, part there. So we have 5 parts altogether. So let's accept them all. Click OK. And now in our solid bodies, you can see that we have 5 solid bodies. Now each of these bodies, we can either hide them. So now we have different parts. So really, we've kind of like split this whole part up into 5 separate parts that we can kind of take out and extract ourselves. Now let's delete this split and let's do another one. So let's click Yes, click Insert, click Feature, click Split, and we'll do the trim tool, and this time we'll do it along this face here. So zoom in, click this face, and it's going to cut across that face like that. Click Cut Part, and you're going to see that we got one part there, one part there, and one part there. So let's accept all of these parts. Click OK. And now you can see that we have each of these parts. So let's hide this one, and now we have just this part here. So you're able to split it up into sections and parts depending on how you want to do it. So from that, you're able to extract kind of each section. It's up to you. It's how you want to do it, but this allows you to go from one body to split into multiple bodies, and from those multiple bodies, you're able to save each one as a section or as a single part, whatever it may be. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the Split Bodies feature within SOLIDWORKS.